So, hello. Once again, I'm back, recording locally and streaming today on Kick service. Third time is the charm. Let's see. Let's check out the stream. Yes, finally, I got it. Nice. So yeah, as I said the other day, I wasn't sure if I will continue with some other Linux new or whatever, or which system I will return to, and this was a surprise to me, and hopefully it's a surprise to you as well. Let's check out the system information first through the GUI. Here we are. This is the latest version of NixOS 26.05. Most probably it's related to the year 2026 and the month. I think it was released on May. Last day of May, something like that. Anyway, and you can pause the stream or later on my YouTube channel you can pause the video when it will be available. So as you saw, NixOS, let's go on the terminal. Here we are. And the system, as you can see, it's a Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5, AMD Ryzen AI whatever, BS, the companies are calling nowadays. It has an integrated graphics, it doesn't have a discrete GPU. 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte SD storage space, and the screen resolution is 2880 by 1000 by 1800, 100 running at 120 Hz. And today I'm recording and streaming downscaled, if I remember correctly. I will show you now the OBS settings. Let's go there for now. Here we are, settings, video. Yes, I think I have messed up today the whole thing. It was very last minute. I was trying to solve a few issues. I forgot how peculiar NixOS is, especially if you have been using for a long time other Linux distributions, normal ones. Anyway, I'm using hardware encoders, FMPEG AAC for the audio and FMPEG VAPI 8264 for the video, 8000 bitrate, and for the file I'm using MKV. Hopefully everything is going well and will go well. And one thing is that I noticed, on this computer, the camera is I haven't used to it just yet. I was trying to fix the settings with it. Yeah, troublesome, and we will see. Hopefully it will be better in the next few days. Anyway, what is NixOS? Let's go here on the website. First I will go to DistroWatch. It's easier, I think, for someone to understand. I think so. NixOS is an independently developed GNU Linux distribution that aims to improve the state of the art in system configuration management. In NixOS, the entire operating system, including the kernel, applications, system packages and configuration files, are built by the Nixpkgs manager. Nix stores all packages in isolation from each other. As a result, there are no /bin, /sbin, /lib or /user directories, and all packages are kept in /nix/store instead. Other innovative features of NixOS include reliable upgrades, rollbacks, reproducible system configurations, source-based model with binaries, and multi-user package management. Although NixOS started as a research project, it is now a functional and usable operating system that includes hardware detection, KD as the default desktop, and systemd for managing system services. And with these things out of the way, this is the official website. Declarative builds and deployments. Nix is a tool that takes a unique approach to package management and system configuration. Learn how to make reproducible, declarative and reliable systems. Basically, you can install this everywhere. It has a selection of from over 140,000 packages. 140,000 packages. I think it was the same just like a few months ago. Anyway, the Nixpkgs collection, Nixpkgs, offers a large selection of packages for the Nix Package Manager. And you can search here for Nixpkgs. I guess this is my old search list. I will not search something now. And when you want to download NixOS, you have to go on download the website and either use these things here or scroll below and do this one. I did this one for sure. It's easier, I guess. NixOS, the Linux distribution, current version 26.05, graphical ISO image, minimal ISO image, and it comes for both Intel AMD or ARM versions. Anyway, as I said, they also have a great NixOS wiki. This is the official NixOS wiki. It includes topics not covered in the NixOS manual, NixOS user guides, configuration examples, and troubleshooting tips. Yada yada. Anyway, plenty of amazing information. NixOS is not for the faint of heart. I think someone has to know the basic things around their system and Linux and other operating systems, etc, etc. However, once you are up and running, which is the easy part, to be up and running, it's plenty of good investment. But when you have accomplished what you wanted, needed, what you had in mind, then it's very easily reproducible in the same or other systems, and the rollbacks are insane. I don't recall ever damaging in the past my previous NixOS system, no matter how hard I tried. Anyway, so what's the progress? As I said, I barely having this recording and stream up and running at the moment. I barely had a few things in place, like my Swedish and English keyboard layout, like installing my favorite apps, and I have plenty of catch up to do, plenty of work to do with the system. I have done only the basic things, and for example, this is my best case so far, having ready because I wanted to see if it's going to work. This is the thing, the fast fetch, this customized version of fast fetch that I brought along from my Niarch GNOME Linux fun times, and my terminal prompt. So yeah, plenty of work to be done, and I haven't been using this system a lot. The keyboard, the camera, everything, it's like the trackpad, everything is new to me. What's certain is that this system is snappy, very snappy. Even though it's a low-cost system, it has a great display, some of the best in this category, I think. So yeah, AMD based through and through. Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5. Just take a good look online. It's nothing fancy, but so far running NixOS, it has been a pleasure. And as always, I've installed my usual suspects of apps like my Kdenlive, my GIMP, and so on. So as I said, plenty of work to do. We will get there. What's important is that the system is up and running, and the first steps are already in place, including the first steps in my guide regarding this version of NixOS. So we'll see. And surely I have forgotten to say something that I wanted to say. Such is the thing when you have unscripted recordings and stream. What I do, I don't care about having a script, or no matter who is against it. So yeah, complicated lives. This is what you get. This is the best version for the foreseeable future. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything. Hopefully you will enjoy, if not today, you will enjoy what you will be seeing in the days ahead. And as always, see you on the next one. Bye!